Okay, so let's talk about our work for this week for American government. So you have a test coming up. It's going to be on Wednesday, and I have the review notes posted here. I also am waiting on 2 assignments from you, an American citizen reflection and a reflection on communism. And it could be that you've turned them in, I just didn't get them in Dropbox. So whenever it's most convenient for you, please turn those assignments in. And if you're having any trouble with them, please let me know. I'd be glad to help. So then after the test, we have 2 more days left in the week. So we're going to have um, some class reading and a section review for Thursday. So read pages 58 through 60 and do the section review on page 60. And then we're going to do for Friday, read pages 61 through 67 and do the section review on page 67. And we should next week have more of a fun assignment list as far as doing more egg puzzles and things like that. But that's going to be your assignments for this week. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.